Hi, my name's Craig. I'm the volunteer manager at the Sydney Story Factory, and we run free creative writing programs for marginalised young people right throughout Sydney and Western Sydney. We do this with the incredible help of a wonderful team of volunteer tutors who come in and mentor the students through the writing process.
I'm Adioma and I've been a volunteer here for over 5 years. I can't imagine myself being anywhere else in the world.
We're not necessarily looking for people who have teaching experience or writing experience, although that's useful. Mostly what we're looking for are people who are kind, are patient, have a great imagination and a really great sense of humour.
I decided to become a tutor at Sydney Story Factory after I wrote my novella, and because I wanted to help kids gain the confidence to eventually do something like I did.
Our writing programs generally run throughout a school term for around 6 to 8 weeks, and our volunteers come in at the same time every week, usually for 1 or 2 hours, working with the same students on the same great big exciting projects.
A Sydney Story Factory workshop is one of the weirdest yet most interesting experiences I think I've ever had, because it's just a room full of kids and like a wave of creativity that flows all over them.
Our writing workshops are run either in one of our centres in Redfern or Parramatta, or they may be held in schools or community groups right around Sydney.
The children have such fun, they're so inspired, and the volunteers feel challenged and fulfilled. It's a win-win situation. What's not to love?
If this all sounds really fun to you and you'd like to give it a go, jump onto our website, fill in a form to come in for an interview and an orientation. It's completely free of charge and it will give you a really nice sense of exactly what we do. We even run a little bit of a writing workshop for you so you can get a real taste of what the kids go through, and you'll get to meet a whole range of other volunteers who are doing the same thing. Sign on up, email through if you've got any questions, and we'd love to see you in here sometime soon to be working with our wonderful kids. Thank you.